Our seventh problem is a very interesting problem. We have a window over here which comprises of a rectangle surmounted by a semicircular portion over it. The semicircular portion of the window is fitted with a colored glass and the rectangular portion of the window has clear glass. This window which we have is a window of fixed parameter. This clear glass transmits 3 times light per meter square than the colored glass. We need to find the ratio of the sides of this rectangular portion in order to have maximum transmission of light through this window. Now these type of questions of maxima and minima need to be solved by first writing the data which is given in the question and then applying that data in the other equation that is asked to maximize certain things. Now the data given in this problem is a window of fixed parameter. So let us use this data, write the area or rather the radius of this semicircular portion to be equal to r. So this side becomes equal to 2r. Let us consider this to be equal to x. Now we are given that the window of fixed parameter, so the parameter is 2r plus x, that is 2x plus pi r, which is the circumference of the semicircular portion, and this is given to be equal to constant k. Now we have r or rather 2 plus pi times r plus 2x is equal to k. Now if we consider the light per unit area for colored glass to be equal to C, then the light per unit area for clear glass will be equal to 3C, because it is given that the clear glass transmits 3 times light per unit area than the colored glass. So if we take the total light to be equal to S, then we have it equal to per unit area transmission C into the area of this semicircular portion, that is pi r square by 2 plus 3C, which is the per unit area transmission of rectangular portion, into the area of this rectangular portion, which is 2r into x, and we need this light to be maximized. Hence we have seen that we utilize the data of window having a fixed parameter by writing an equation, and now we will use this equation in order to maximize this thing, which is the light transmission. So what we can do is, we can either put r in terms of x over here or x in terms of r over here to get the entire equation in terms of only one variable. We have assumed two variables, r and x, r to be the radius of the semicircular portion and x to be the one of the lengths of the rectangle. What we will do is, we will put x in terms of r to get total light as C by 2 times 6k or rather 6rk minus 24r square minus 5 pi r square. What we have done is, we have put x in terms of r as k minus 2 plus pi r upon 2 in this equation to get the total light S as C by 2 times 6kr minus 24r square minus 5 pi r square. Now we can very easily differentiate this equation or differentiate this total light S with respect to the variable r to get C by 2 times 6k minus 48r minus 10 pi r and put it equal to 0, because we know that at the point of maxima or minima we have the derivative to be equal to 0. This gives us 6k is equal to 48 plus 10 pi times r, and r is equal to 6k upon 48 plus 10 pi. Now we need to find the ratio of the sides of the rectangle. The ratio of sides is 2r upon x. We have got the value of r by differentiating s with respect to r and putting it equal to 0. Now we need to find x, and we knew that x was equal to k minus 4r minus pi r square by 2. This gives us the value of x to be equal to pi plus 6 times k upon 48 plus 10 pi. So 12r, 2r upon x comes out to be equal to 2 into 6k. The 48 plus 10 pi factors cancel upon pi plus 6 k. The k and k gets cancelled and we get 12 upon pi plus 6. Hence we have seen that in this problem, although the problem appeared to be a bit lengthy, but what we did is we utilized the data which was given in the problem regarding one of the sides or circumference or area. We utilized the parameter format in this problem. The parameter was given to be equal to constant. We wrote it equal to constant. The parameter consisted of two variables r and x. We wrote r in terms of x. Then we wrote the total light transmitted. It was in the form, or it was a function of r and x. We replaced one of the variables by the other variable to get the entire equation in terms of r. We differentiated it and put it equal to 0, since the maximum light will be transmitted when its differential will be equal to 0 with respect to r. We obtained r and utilized the relation between r and x to get x, and hence the ratio of the two sides of the rectangle was equal to 2r upon x, which is 12 upon pi plus 6, and this is our final answer.